Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl UDDX Beauty. Here I make different types of braid on myself and I do tutorials on how to braid for beginners. Today's video I'll be making a crochet hairstyle on myself. You can see I always say that practice they say make perfect. When I started making hair on myself, I was not good in sectioning my hair, but with time I'm getting used to it. You can see parting my hair is becoming easier and it's becoming neater than before. One thing about making yourself hair is that at the beginning you find it somehow difficult, but by the time you do it 2 to 3 times it will become a normal thing for you. This part I was trying to do something at the front so that my crochet braid will look beautiful, so that the front will look beautiful, and I want it to be protective hairstyle. That is why I bring out this particular section at the front. I want it to be protective because I don't want anything that will affect my edges. So this will give me another beautiful look, not like the normal look of crochet hairstyle. So after sectioning my front, I decided to twist it one one. Twisting it one one is exactly what I want because it's a protective hairstyle that I'm making. So I hold it down with a rubber band before I twist it. Guys, if you have been thinking of how to make your own hair, maybe you don't have time to go to salon to spend time, or maybe braiding is too expensive in your area. Making your own hair is very simple. Starting is not easy though, but by the time you are used to it, you no even like to go out to make hair anymore. Unlike me, I hardly go to make hair outside. And the funny thing is that if I want to make my hair in less than 30 minutes, I'm done with whatsoever style I want to make. I don't even do a style that affect my edges. I always go for protective hairstyle. Protective hairstyle is the hairstyle that allow your edges to relax and grow, not the one that will be pulling off your edges. So that is one thing about making your own hair. You prevent your edges from falling off, from pulling off, because you will always love to make a protective hairstyle on your hair. So this is me trying to finish up the front hair. When I'm done with the front hair, I will have to weave the remaining hair to the back. It's very very easy. So since I started making my own hair, I discovered something. I discovered that my hair gets fuller, and again my hair keep growing every single moment. Because one thing with our hair is that once people has different method of making hair. There are some people that will make your hair for you today, tomorrow you discover that your hair will be falling off. While some people will make hair for you today, tomorrow you will be feeling dandruff on your scalp. But since I started making my own hair, I am free from all these problems from my from people. So now I have to weave the back. I don't want to braid it to the back. As I'm protecting my front hair, I'm for protecting my back hair at the same time. So I don't want any part of my hair to be pulling off. So I have to weave the back. I weave the back, then I start making my cornrow. There is no how you do a crochet without cornrow, especially when you are doing a this all back crochet, not braiding crochet. This one I'll call it all back crocheting. So I'm done this time around. What I need to do next is to braid my hair all back. As I'm braiding it all back, remember I have simple braid at the front. I will not leave it behind because what I'm doing is crochet all back. So you can see the way I added this my the front weaving that I made. I added it to the cornrow and I'll braid everything all back. I have to do the same to all the hair. I did the same thing to all the hair. Please, if you are just coming to my channel, help me to share this video so that it can get to other people, for them to know that yes, no matter how it is, if you have been thinking of making your own hair, you can do it. If I can do it, everyone can do it. This is me braiding it. And don't forget to drop your comments, any observation. If I'm open for correction, if there's any way you feel you can correct me, please, I'm open. No, let me know the correction in the comment section. I'll be available to answer you. I'm done this time around. Yeah, this is it. Look at it now. Even without crocheting it, my face is coming out brighter. So I start my crocheting. This is how I crochet it, guys. Crochet is pass the hair through the holes on the crochet and drag it. This one have stayed. I do the same thing to all the hair. Guys, please help me to share this video. Drop your comment if you like what I'm doing, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for other videos like this. I said earlier, I do tutorial also on this channel. I do tutorial also, not only braiding my hair. I do tutorial on how to grip braid, how to start braid, gorgeous hairstyle, hairstyle inspiration and all of that. Don't forget to drop your comment, don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. At this point, I have a client that want to make her hair. Don't forget, I am a hairstylist. Yes, I didn't remember to say it from the beginning. I have a client that want to make hair at this point. I was like, God, I need to finish this my crochet. What will I do? But anyway, I was able to finish it. Finish it though, but I couldn't finish it immediately. I have to pause and continue with the client's hair. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching. And